badedelwe ngebheyili ezinkulungwane eziyishumi umuntu ngamunye abathathu abasolwa ngokubulala umndeni wakaSebati ngoZibandlela wango-2016.
You are in custody at this stage. Your bail is set in the amount of 10,000 rand each.
Ibheyili yabo inembandela ethize.
First, that you will then report at the court C, 8:30 in the morning. You will stay present until you are excused. Secondly, that applicant 2 must hand in her passport to the investigation on or before payment of the set amount of bail. The applicants are to reside at their respective confirmed addresses. The applicants are to report to their respective nearest police stations every Monday and Friday between the hours of 6 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. And the applicants are to inform the investigating officer timeously if they intend to travel beyond the borders of the court's jurisdiction, and also to inform him of the reason and the time period. Applicants are also not to have any contact with one another, either directly or indirectly, in any way, form or manner. Take note that all these conditions are pending the finalisation of this matter, and failure to comply with any of them will lead to bail being cancelled and warrants of arrest.
INPA ithi necala eliqinile.
We believe that we have a case against the 3 accused. We must remember that at this point we have 2 evidence was brought to court. The fact that the bank statement proved that indeed 100,000 was deposited from Sebati's account to one of the co-accused, who then was supposed to deposit 50,000 rand to the other accused after the deed or the killing was done.
Icala Lihlehliselwe umhla zingamashumi amathathu kuNdasa walonyaka ukuze kuqhutshekwe nophenyo.